Paulding, eastern Van Wert and southwestern Allen counties through 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm near Otoville, or 7 miles northeast of Van Wert, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour. Source, radar indicated. Impact, gusty wind that could knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects. Locations impacted include Van Wert, Delphos, Spencerville, Alida, Continental, Otoville, Spencerville in Allen County, Middle Point, Fort Jennings, Grover Hill, DuPont, Scott, Melrose, Haviland, Cloverdale, Venedocia, Elgin, Rushmore, Cabot, and Jonestown. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay a report to the National Weather Service office in northern Indiana. The National Weather Service